Hey guys, this is day 10 of teaching Python. Previously we completed Python tuples, so today we will start Python sets. So a set is basically like a list or a tuple, but it has curling parentheses instead. The things that are different is that they don't have a defined order, they are unchangeable, and sets are unordered, okay, and unchangeable, and do not allow duplicate values, okay. Duplicates not allowed. So apple, banana, cherry, apple. So it will not allow two apples. So it will only write one apple and not the other. So examples are considered true and number 1 are considered the same value. So it will only give one of those. In this case, it took out 1 and it kept true. False and 0 also are considered the same value. So over here, it will only have one of these two, either false or 0. In this one, it doesn't have 0, but it has false. Okay. Give a length of a set. So if you write a set and print len this set, the name of the set, then it will say how many characters are inside the set. So over here it has 3, so it will say 3. And data types, so you can have all of these. You can have strings, you can have integers, you can have boolean, but make sure they are not the same and they do not have the same value. So you can write stuff like this as well. It's completely fine. Okay. So if you write type, it will say type the set. It will always just change this. You can change it to integer, strings, boolean, etc. So over here you do this, type this, it will just say over here class set. This is what it's going to write. Class set. So a set conductor. Note that it's in double round brackets. Okay, brackets and parentheses are the same. So if you say this set, and then put parentheses, and then put another set of parentheses, and write whatever, it'll convert it into a set. Okay, and over here it will have a curling parentheses. Why? Because you're not telling it to print the set, you're telling it to first make the set. Okay. That access set items. You can do it like this. This is how you'll basically loop the strings, the set. Sorry. So it'll just basically loop it. Okay. Banana, apple, cherry. If you check if banana is present. So if you say print banana in the set, it will say true since banana is in the set. But if you ask not in the set, then it will say false because it is in the set and you're asking whether it is not. Okay? Add set types. You can add set types by first putting the name of the set, put dot add, and then whatever you want to add. So it'll be apple, banana, cherry, orange. Apple, banana, cherry, orange. But the order is kind of different. Okay. And you can also use update. You can update a set into another set. Okay? So you update it and it will just add it. The reason I'm not really sure why it's making it like this, But if you know the reason, please comment below what is the reason. Okay. And you can add sets to sets. You can also update a list into a set. So that also works. Well, how I know it's a list? Because it has square parentheses instead of colon. Okay. Now we'll do remove set items. We can remove banana, so use the .remove function, and it'll just say apple, cherry. Okay, you're just removing it. You can also use discard. It does exactly the same. It will just keep it apple, cherry. So they both work, okay? You can also use pop. Pop is another way. So, okay? So print remove print X, which is this pop, which is banana. So it'll first write banana, then it'll print the set. Okay. And clear. Clear function clears everything inside the set. So when you're when you use the clear function, it'll just make it only set parentheses open parentheses close. So when you would do this, it will basically not give whatever you say inside the set. Only it will say set parentheses open parentheses close. And you can also use del. Sorry, you cannot use del. Okay, the del keyword will completely delete the set. That's why it won't work. Since if you use the del, that means delete. So if you say delete the whole thing, then what are you doing? And you cannot print something that you already deleted. That's why it gives you an error. Loop sets, exactly how we saw it before. So I'm pretty sure in Python sets, where? Maybe not here. Access. Yeah, access set. So you basically use this again to loop the set. Okay. So if you do this, it'll put it in a column, just like this. Okay. So yeah, that's it for day 10 of teaching Python. Come back next time for day 11. Bye. Until then, bye.